I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to boost your collagen naturally. We'll explore simple, effective steps you can take to enhance your body's own collagen production. This involves understanding key nutrients, adopting beneficial lifestyle habits, and protecting the collagen you already have. By following these practical guidelines, you can support healthier skin, stronger hair, and more resilient connective tissues, all through natural means. Let's get started on your journey to a more youthful glow. To naturally boost collagen, your diet is crucial. Incorporate plenty of vitamin C from sources like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers, as it's essential for collagen synthesis. Amino acids like proline and glycine, found in bone broth, chicken, and eggs, are the building blocks. Don't forget minerals such as zinc, abundant in nuts and seeds, and copper, present in leafy greens, which both play vital roles in collagen formation and stability. A colorful plate truly helps. Beyond diet, lifestyle choices significantly impact collagen. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, allowing your body to repair and regenerate. Effectively managing stress through practices like meditation or yoga can prevent stress hormones from degrading collagen. Hydration is key. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to maintain skin elasticity. Furthermore, consistently use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or more to shield your skin from damaging UV rays. To further support your collagen, incorporate gentle exercise like walking or swimming to enhance blood flow and nutrient delivery. Minimize your intake of added sugars, as they can lead to glycation, a process that stiffens and weakens collagen fibers. Consistency is paramount. These natural methods yield the best results over time. Remember, while these tips are generally beneficial, consulting a healthcare professional can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific health needs and goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.